Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will be showing you how to install the latest version of Wireshark on Ubuntu Linux. Wireshark is an incredibly powerful network protocol analyzer, commonly used to capture and analyze network traffic for troubleshooting, security, and development purposes. I will walk you through each step, explaining all the commands and their functions. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the terminal, where we will run all our commands to install Wireshark. The terminal is the command line interface that allows us to interact directly with our system by typing commands, which is essential for installing and managing software on Linux. To install the latest version of Wireshark, we need to add the official Wireshark repository. This repository ensures that we download the most recent and stable version of Wireshark directly from the developers. To do this, run the command sudo add-apt-repository ppa wireshark-dev/stable. Here's what's happening. The sudo command gives you temporary administrative privileges to perform system-level tasks, such as adding a software repository. The add-apt-repository command allows us to include a new software repository to our system, and ppa, wireshark-dev, stable is the specific repository for stable Wireshark releases. After running this command, the system will inform you that the repository has been successfully added. After adding the Wireshark repository, we need to update the system's package list to make sure it includes the latest packages from that repository. This is done using the command sudo apt-update. When you run this command, the system will connect to all the configured repositories and download the latest package information. The apt-update command ensures that your system is aware of the newest software versions available, so that when we install Wireshark, it will pull the latest release. Now that the repository is updated, we can install Wireshark by using the command sudo apt-install wireshark. In this step, sudo apt-install is the command used to install packages on Ubuntu, and Wireshark is the name of the package we want to install. Once you execute this command, the system will begin downloading and installing Wireshark from the repository. During installation, you may be prompted with a question about whether to allow non-root users to capture packets. If you want regular users to run Wireshark without needing administrative privileges, select Yes. The installation process may take a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, you can launch Wireshark in two different ways. The first way is by running the command in the terminal sudo wireshark. This command opens Wireshark with elevated administrative privileges, which is necessary if you want to capture network traffic on your system. Alternatively, you can open Wireshark from the GUI by going to the Show Applications menu, which is on the bottom left corner of the screen, searching for Wireshark, and clicking on the application to launch it. Once Wireshark opens, you can start capturing and analyzing network traffic. To confirm that Wireshark is properly installed and to check the version you've installed, use the command wireshark version. This command will display the version of Wireshark that is installed on your system, along with some additional build information. It's a simple way to verify that you've installed the latest version, ensuring that you have all the newest features and fixes. And that's it. You've successfully installed the latest version of Wireshark on your Ubuntu system. You are now ready to start capturing and analyzing network traffic with one of the most powerful network tools available. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.